What if the laws of electromagnetism could be described through a new kind of geometry? This article explores exactly that, using Finsler geometry to give a fresh perspective on electromagnetic theory. Traditionally, a Randers metric deforms a Riemann metric with a first form. Here, the authors propose a modification, replacing the first form with a quadratic form, which generates a new space with unique mathematical properties. By studying the space, the paper opens pathways for deeper connections between geometry and physics, offering a novel framework for understanding electromagnetic phenomena. You can read the full work in the Journal of Brand.